I'm gonna go.
User, are you with us?
He didn't check my. Yeah, he's here. He's here. All right.
Yep, he's here. Alright, time to use some actual positioning, since last map I couldn't understand what the fuck I was looking at. Anyways, so... Yes, so I'm third to the east, so that...
I see overhaul.
Yeah, southeast
north.
port isn't really an option.
Artillery
Trucks
incoming from the east. Oh, I have mallets instead of artillery.
Alright, change
This is
the
okay.
going northeast. In the northeast.
See the change from northeast?
Towards the north would probably be safer from the aftershocks and whatnot.
Artillery on Newport?
Alright, do you see anything, Spy? I see a drill. Alright, yep, that appears to be the closest target.
Okay, I'm watching Spy for a bit. You guys are with me.
What do you see, Marv?
There's 3 over here. Spy, see if you can get behind those rocks somehow. Use them as a fortification. Drill's heading towards Spy, maybe around the south side, southeast side.
Dredge is moving up. We could probably jump them if we wanted to, since they're Marvelous kind of has the flank on them.
Okay, I'm watching for the movements. I hear artillery.
It's on me.
Man, that guy can't stop. It's got more. Oh, he's down, he's down. Artillery guy's dead.
Alright, yep, go on.
Oh, sorry, Spy.
Gun away. Mid one way.
It's okay, sorry, you'll be fast at least. Later. Good job, guys.
One of the
He's in there.
down.
PC is out.
Could someone please get this dredge by me?
Trying. They've got reinforcements I'm trying to hold back. Double skyjacker on that overhaul in the back. Oh, thank you. Good job.
Thank you. Holy shit, I didn't even look at the score. Well job, team.
Yeah, let's be careful though. We're all going to be low on armor.
Yeah, we definitely are. That's for sure.
We might get wiped, so see if you can survive a run. On our left, the dredge in the east.
Shit. Someone
Dredge,
was flanking around
northeast,
north-south.
near Marv. Something just to your left behind you, Cordy. Okay, Marv, be careful. We're not with you right now.
A scattershot drill to our west.
Damn, my skyjacker actually killed you. I got him,
Yeah,
I
I
got him.
saw that. That's the second time I've been Judas by overalls tonight.
But I did kill him in the end.
You did? Good job.
Yeah, okay, Marv, I want to survive here. It'll help us stay ahead. So, bye. Oh no.
I'm jumping up to a company user.
They got me, they got me.
Deep critical. Torso critical.
Good job staying alive, man. That rail drill, southwest ground. There's a few southeast, up behind the wall, coming now towards Spy. Or at the juncture near Spy. Wow, are they not seeing you, Marvelous? This is great.
Deep critical. Laser codex check.
Well done.
Inactivated.
No, I won't let you.
Array engagement.
It's too late. He's gone.
We're jumping in here. If you guys want to follow us, Spy and we'll slip over their user. Oh, good. We got 2 dredges and a drill here. Drill really close to port.
I'm overheated.
Oh shit. 1-arm dredge. After this, we're gonna get this one on.
On aftershocks or just long range in general?
DC posse using ring.
Trying to get to you.
Well, you did it because you're fucking badass.
Trying to come to you. I got a whole team in tow. Nothing over here. I'm running away. They are in the east of me. The whole team in a line. Dredge in the air, slow.
Yeah, I pelted Buck.
That is a dredge, I believe.
Something's
There's a
hopped
drill
over
flying
the
over
eastern
you
wall.
right now, Marv. Up high, very high. Spy, that's for you too, just in case. Be aware that's a drill in our west. Actually, something could be good hunting for you too. I see him. He's over here, chain storming away. Really far. Help him with Skyjacker so that we can see him. Accordion user, you okay without us? He's down, he's down. Let's head back.
Thanks.
Where are we rendezvousing north?
Oh, let me out. This is just kind of a corner. Everyone transfers south to the cliffs.
Nice, we'll meet you there.
They seem to be more think we're going north since they're all heading in that direction towards me and User. So just slowly make your way in that direction and fortify.
Got this dredge.
Oh, I'm done.
Rail dredge on user. And query. More, fast. They're coming through this tunnel just to our right in the south.
Torso.
Got him. He's not dead, but I hit him. He'll probably dislodge. Drill moving. Drill on top peak moving west. Southwest. Towards Mark. Up past Mark. I see him. I'm skyjackering him. There's a drill just up there, spy to your left. He's above. He's dead. Doing great. Keep it up, spy, you and me.
Drill towards the southwest.
In the arm.
Trying to get away, spy. I'm a little bit hurt right now.
Rook towards the rest. Double scattergun.
Dredge between me and Mark. There's a drill on the ground here, spy.
Checking. We'll come back fresh.
He's still there. Good luck.
I'm dead.
Alright, let's just stick around here.
See a Rook in the air, moving speed. Broke the limit. That's a Rook near Cordy.
Dredge under the northeast archway.
Roger, Dredge flying there right now, malleting away. Ah, he's got a good cover. I see a Dredge, yeah, there's the Dredge in the archway Cordy was talking about.
Rook on you, Scott.
Please break off.
Rook down. I'm overtaking.
There's a Dredge encroaching on you from the east. I got him. He's on me. Good. Made him use fuel to get away from mallets. Cordy, there's two over there in the northeast of Cordy.
Hit the laser drill and something else.
Okay, we can defend ourselves in the southwest corner if we have to. There's a wall here. We can get Cordy on this side. I see the overhaul in the middle of the map, the highest peak. Be aware, aftershocks coming for Cordy from the highest peak, Cordy, from the center. Got it.
I'm down. I'm going chain from left. They have a shit ton of aftershock. Spy, do you have any other mains other than the Rook?
Oh, nice. I got the drill. We need 3 more. Try to stay alive, guys, and then we got this in the bag. I'm really close to popping. Okay, we need 1 more, guys. 1 more. We can, like, wait for spy and we can all jump someone. I like it, yeah. I think I see it. Yeah. I'm real low, though. I won't have many shots. Cordy's on his way. User's almost there. Spy, we're heading east. There's a dredge. Okay, call it the new target when you see it. That overhaul might be hard. It's in the north, amongst the pillars.
Yeah, he's gonna stay safe.
An overhaul's from the north. Drill on top of the arch. Skyjackering that. What's he going to? Who's he hitting? There's a dredge under this archway, but he's pretty fresh. I don't think. Yeah, and there's an overhaul under there too. I don't recommend we go under there. Still real low. I don't really want to be there. Drill east. All by himself. Drill east, but we're a little spread out to get this guy. That drill east trying to peg me. Cordy's above the drill in the east. He's coming towards us, Spy. Drill coming towards us, Spy. Ah, sorry, I didn't mean to shoot that. Focus someone down. Cordy's shooting a target. Dredge, shoot that dredge.
Yeah, head over northwest.
God, good game.
Good game.
GG.
Good game, guys.
Tons of fun, guys. Cordy, I'll give it to you. Good luck in the 3rd game, everyone.
Hey, Ned Jovian. Signing it to my mom. Signing it.
Yeah,